me, Rob here. Just want to throw a quick video together because today is the 13th, I think, of December, and I just thought I'd talk about, talk about the economy and what's going on with. Sorry, I thought I heard something. Never mind. Anyway, where was I? Alright, yeah. I'm sure that you've all heard about the current things going on in London, the riots. I thought I heard it again. Strange. And yeah, oh, I forgot my hat. So just excuse me a minute. This little gimmick, a personal thing, makes me feel kind of rebellious. So, yeah, where was I? What, can you see this? There's nothing there. Seems like you're looking at something behind me, so.
No! Ah! Look out!
Is it? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Look out! No!